My name's Max Arnold, a member of our storage product marketing group here at Dell Technologies. Today, I'm here to talk to you about how Dell can help take your organization from being cloud first to cloud smart. Now, over the last 10 years or so, many organizations have used the public cloud and migrated their apps, users, data, and AI workloads there under the promise that it can be lower cost and easier to use. However, as your organization grows and as the demands on those applications increase, those promises don't come to fruition. Organizations commonly tell us that their monthly bills have skyrocketed. Again, as you increase the number of users, as your applications become more demanding, and as you store more data, it becomes a lot more expensive to run in the cloud. They've also discovered that it's very difficult to change strategies. Public clouds are great about locking customers in to a specific infrastructure. It's expensive to remove that data from the cloud and incredibly complex to migrate between clouds. Customers also have talked about the increasing change in our compliance and regulatory environment. As AI and new workloads come online, governments and institutions have instituted new requirements on how you control your data and where it's placed. And the public cloud offers a vulnerability in how you achieve that compliance. And lastly, it's more complex than they expected. Running to the public cloud doesn't solve the problems of running a data center. It just puts them in a different location. And IT administrators managing diverse public cloud infrastructures are still challenged with limited time and limited resources, as well as expertise, to maximize the benefits of their public cloud. Now, at Dell Technologies, our objective is to help you become cloud smart, which is leveraging a combination of public cloud and on-premise infrastructure to maximize the benefits of both deployment models. Now, with Dell Private Cloud, otherwise known as DPC, this allows you to overcome the legacy challenges of private cloud infrastructure with a simple, flexible, and easy-to-use infrastructure platform that delivers orchestration across Dell Compute, Dell Networking, and Dell Storage. This full stack orchestration delivers differentiated benefits to your organization. First, it's fast. Dell Private Cloud uses validated blueprints that our engineers at Dell have tested for tens of thousands of hours. These blueprints allow you to accelerate deployments, orchestrating across these different infrastructure components to make sure that you're up and running in just hours. Secondly, it's flexible. Those same blueprints allow you to quickly change on the fly. Depending on what your organization is going through or what the industry is going through, you can rapidly change the way you're deployed your hypervisor without major disruptions. This is an incredibly valuable thing in an era of constant change. And lastly, it's easy. Private clouds of old required administrators and specialties across all of these different layers. But Dell Private Cloud dramatically simplifies that idea. Those blueprints that I just mentioned are the key to how you can achieve a much simpler and more efficient private cloud. And underneath Dell Private Cloud is the data foundation that helps you maximize those data benefits. Dell PowerStore is our flagship storage array, and it offers an incredibly differentiated platform for you to host your data. First and foremost, it's incredibly efficient. Dell PowerStore has many architectural benefits that allow you to maximize cost benefits, especially in the face of rising NAND costs, including our industry-leading 6-to-1 data reduction guarantee. This not only helps you save money when you purchase the array, but the day 2 operating costs shrink too, as Dell PowerStore has always-on data reduction, ensuring that you're maximizing the value of every drive that you've purchased. Secondly, it's highly performant. Dell PowerStore's architecture is built on an active controller platform. It leverages end-to-end NVMe so that it ensures your users and your applications and your customers have rapid access to data with low latency. And lastly, it's scalable. PowerStore's architecture allows you to scale up and out to accommodate growing performance or capacity requirements in a single, easy-to-use platform. It also is built on a modular architecture, which means you can easily adopt new technologies as they become available without disrupting your workload. The combination of Dell Private Cloud and Dell PowerStore really differentiates how Dell can help you become cloud smart. With Dell Private Cloud, you can lower your TCO. Again, it's very simple to deploy and it's radically efficient. It allows you to have freedom from vendor lock-in. Those blueprints I mentioned allow you to quickly change on the fly without replatforming. That's an incredibly strategic and valuable thing to have, especially as things change in the industry. You also get to control your data. Now, controlling your data is paramount in today's ecosystems. Knowing where it is, where it's landed, and how you can maximize the performance and outcomes of your data is paramount to succeed in today's world. And lastly, simple. This isn't the legacy architectures you may be familiar with. This is a brand new way of deploying private clouds that leverages Dell's unique technology benefits and portfolio to dramatically simplify your private cloud experience so that it doesn't have the compromise that you may have been accustomed to. Now, Dell Private Cloud, Dell PowerStore, and a combination of a public cloud for the right workloads is the most optimal way for you to think about how you're deploying workloads and storing your data in the future. For more information about how Dell can help you become cloud smart, contact your local Dell or partner sales representative and visit our website. Thanks so much.